Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, just joining in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on your post notifications so you won't miss any new content from me. So if you haven't already read the title, you know or you don't know that I will be doing an unboxing today for the Frozen 2 collection from ColourPop, because if you know your girl, you know I love Disney, and I love makeup even more. So when ColourPop came out with this Frozen 2 collection, you know your girl had to cop the whole thing. Yes, I'm talking about the Elsa collection and the Anna collection, and I have it here for you guys today. I am not on their PR list, so yes, I did have to pay for this out of pocket, but your girl don't mind, because like I said, I love Disney. So please don't mind this pimple on my face the size of elephant. But let's get into the video. Alright you guys, so let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. So it came in a box like this, a regular box. I'm not going to show you the top because it has like my address and everything on there. So I'm going to go ahead and open this bad boy. Okay, so it looks like this inside. The lid. So let's take this tape off. Okay, so this is what you see inside after removing the bubble wrap, which I'm going to pop later. And you have the Anna collection. Oh boy, oh hell. Oh, I sound like a man. Excuse me, y'all. Then you have the Elsa collection. And then you have this cute little card that says ColourPop. It says you light up my world, and it has all their social media. On the other side. Okay. So let's take these out of blah blah. Okay. So this is what they look like. This is the Anna collection. It's really cute. Frozen 2 ColourPop. It says Anna collection set on the back. It says Anna right there. It tells you what all that comes in it. Same with Elsa, Frozen 2, Elsa collection. Elsa collection set. And again, it tells you what all comes in the set. So let's go ahead. I don't want to untie these bows, they're so pretty, but let's go ahead and untie these bows. As soon as you untie them, you see, you know, Elsa's snowflake there, and then Anna's symbol, the symbol that was on her scarf. By the way, if you haven't seen Frozen 2, boo, stop watching this video, go see it and come back, because what is you doing? Anyway, ooh, this is what it looks like when you open it. OMG, you guys. I'm in love. Ooh, same with Anna. You have her symbol. Looks the same as Elsa. So let's get into these palettes, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the Anna palette. It tells you all the colors on the back, which I'll probably have in the description below, because I don't have my glasses on and your girl is blind. Literally. In all honesty, this palette is literally everything Anna. Like, I'm in love with this. My favorite color is purple, so y'all know. OMG. I'm gonna have to do a look with both these collections. Like, oh, it's so pretty. Okay. Next you have the gel eye shimmer. Looks like that. So pretty. It says Frozen 2 on the back. It's called Waterfall. That's the shade. Waterfall. Ooh, should I swatch these, you guys? OMG. I really feel like I should swatch this one. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at that. That is so pretty. It's like a metallic. OMG. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, y'all. Like, I'm freaking out right now. I'm so excited. Let me wipe this off because I don't want to get it everywhere. Gotta keep your makeup wipes on deck, girl. You guys too. Yeah, I don't want to get that everywhere. It's glitter, so y'all know it's probably gonna be all over the place. Anyway, I just made it worse, but I mean, we'll be all right. A little glitter and not hurt nobody. All right. Also, it comes with a lipstick. Now, I'm not sure. Now my hands are wet. Ugh. Okay. Comes with lipstick. I'm not sure if this is a matte lipstick or not. Let's get into it though. Oh, you guys. Look at that. That is so cute. This shade is bomb. Y'all. Okay. Alright, ColourPop. Y'all better come through with the Frozen 2 collection. And then it comes with a lip gloss. Ooh. 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 My lips finna be smelling like... Ooh, my lips finna be smelling like chocolate chips and peanut butter. Ma, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, but somebody's not gonna be kissing me with this. Okay. Y'all know. Y'all know. Okay. So that was the Anna collection. Now let's get into this Elsa collection. So Elsa's palette is, oh my god, it is everything. Elsa's palette is giving me Into the Unknown vibes, y'all. Look at that. Again, this palette is like everything Elsa. Like, seriously. OMG, guys. I'm in love. ColourPop, y'all showed out. Y'all show out, ColourPop. Like, who y'all? Y'all did the... Oh, y'all did. Oh, ColourPop, listen. Y'all showed out with this. And this is Elsa's gel glitter. Y'all know I'm gonna have to do this one too. Oh, 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 oh! Y'all. Oh my god. Oh my... Y'all, I love, love, love this palette. Oh my goodness. Okay. Y'all, I don't know how many times I'm going to say y'all, and I don't know how many times I'm going to say I love this collection, but I do. Like, it's literally everything. Like, I'm going to be shining and glittering because I got the stuff all over me. Yeah, OMG. Okay, let's look at Elsa's lipstick now. This is what hers look like. I don't think I showed what Anna's look like, but y'all catch my drift. Anyway, oh, this is like a really cute plum purple color. That is so bomb. I love it. Again, this is everything Elsa. Like, if you know, you know. But oh my god, guys, this is everything. And her lip gloss has like a lot of shimmer in it. Like, and if you know me, ooh, this one, yeah, I need to find somebody's son to be kissing on. But anyway, y'all, this is like, if you know me, you know I love anything that sparkles and glitters. Okay, so this palette not only is everything Frozen, like, it's glitter, it's shimmer, it's y'all, this, yeah, I'm speechless. I don't even know what to say. ColourPop, you did the damn thing, okay? These palettes are, this whole collection is just everything, you guys. Like, I want to tie the bow back on it because it looks so pretty. And I want it to stay looking pretty. But you know, I will be coming with a video with a look using this collection. Like, y'all already know. I can't just show y'all the collection without giving y'all the look. Okay, not just a look. The look. ColourPop, sponsor me, boo. I'll be waiting. But if you don't know, ColourPop also has like a full Disney collection. Like, they have some Moana stuff. They have some Tangled stuff, I believe. They have like some Mulan stuff. And if you know me, you know I love me some Mulan. But y'all, these are literally everything. Like, y'all don't know how in love I am with these palettes, with just the whole collection in general. The boxing, the packaging is so super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video though, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love all my supporters. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Share this video. Tell your friends. I love you guys so much. Love you. See you next video. Bye.